Our dream is becoming a reality, faster in a rapidly changing era. Industrial sites must also adapt to replace human labor with safety and efficiency technology. We must continue to pursue. In today's industrial sites, high labor costs, reluctance toward repetitive tasks, and workplace hazards have led to a severe labor shortage. Young-Chang Robotech aims to solve these industrial challenges by combining laborer and robot to create a robot that replaces repetitive manual labor. Labot. Labot replaces repetitive manual labor. Unlike traditional robots made for mass production, Labot with Smart Easies allows easy model changes. Smart Easy features a drag-and-drop interface, making it accessible even for beginners. With simple machine connectivity and easy robot setup, it serves as a user-friendly robot programming tool. Smart Easy, designed for easy operation, is integrated into Labot products. Labot MT, equipped with Smart Easy, is one of Young-Chang Robotech's flagship products. Along with the CNC equipment loading system, with its rotary table design, it is an ideal solution for repetitive production and automation lines. Labot XD, equipped with Smart Easy like NT, is a core product of Young-Chang Robotech. Integrated with the CNC equipment loading system, its multi-drawer system maximizes space efficiency, a highly effective solution that enhances automation. Labot MD is a larger version of Labot SD. It supports dual-sided operations. Parts can be easily adjusted or replaced from the back during operation, significantly improving efficiency and productivity. Labot SR can replace tools and products during operation, with storage capacity that lets workers manage multiple tasks efficiently. Labot SQ is the most efficient solution. For multi-product production, it enables flexible material placement for multi-product production. Young-Chang Robotech develops efficient, user-friendly automation to solve industrial challenges and drive future innovation. We tailor solutions to customer needs by providing practical, differentiated solutions and provide services. The Smart Factory System. To be realized, we will actively contribute. Efficiency and safety, all in one. Industrial Robot Solutions. Labot.